Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need admin privileges. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account because changing certain names requires elevated rights. Once ready, open Start, type Settings, and press Enter. In Settings, go straight to Accounts, then your info. This is where Windows shows your account type and linked Microsoft account. If you're using a local account, you'll see a different set of controls. Start here to verify whether you'll change a Microsoft account name or a local account name, since the steps diverge next. If your account is a Microsoft account, click Manage My Microsoft Account. That opens your online profile where you edit first and last name, changes sync back to Windows. For a local account, press Win+R, type Control Panel, open User Accounts, and choose Change Your Account Name. Type the new display name and confirm. Make the change, then sign out or restart so Windows Explorer and credential displays update. This difference matters because Microsoft edits occur online, while local edits update only. Once you've changed the name, verify it appears on the sign-in screen, Start menu, and Settings accounts. If it doesn't update immediately, sign out and sign back in. A full restart often forces the display to refresh. For Microsoft accounts, make sure online profile changes finish syncing, open Settings account, sync your settings. If you're on a work or domain-joined PC and the name won't change, contact IT. Group policies or cached domain credentials can override local edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.